Henry. Is your bed cold?
Morning.
My bed's cold.
Oh.
Ouch. Oh, no.
Really doing a good job.
No, we're out of milk. We're gonna get milk today so that Mom can have coffee again. It's gonna be great. She'll run away and go to the store. See ya. Can I get you some water? That's all we have. Okay, so you don't want water either. That's pretty sad. We don't have any milk.
That glass of water was really full.
Yeah, good job.
What did you have?
It's all the way over there, doesn't it?
You can play games because you can play games on your iPad.
Cool. I made Henry. And look, you can change him to his Halloween costume ideas.
He wanted to be the sun?
Wanted to be the sun. And then his other idea, it got kind of curly.
Oh yeah, I remember this one.
He wanted to be a bubbly can.
A bubbly can. That's pretty good, actually, when you see it like that. I like that you put him in a loincloth.
It's underwear. Henry and I are getting ready to go ride to a little park that we've passed a couple of times and he's asked to go play at. Are you excited?
Yeah.
And so Lofty started investing in that sort of thing, probably 4 years ago, right?
Yeah.
To some extent, because even prior to COVID, we weren't a remote company, but we were remote friendly. We had a dedicated 1 day a week where everybody worked from home. And then we had work from home on request. And, you know, I remember bringing clients through the Lofty office and like always wanting to. We were a little bit younger of a company then, and we like wanting to show ourselves as like a successful thing because we were. And we always had more employees than we had people in the office. So I remember walking people through the office and being like, "This isn't everyone. We let people work from home all the time." I can't even tell you how many people aren't here. But it was true. It was the truth. Now we don't care about those things as much. It used to be a little more taboo to have people that work from home. Clients would come in and be like, "Oh, you let your people work from home."
One of those.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if we want our money going to slackers. Greetings from the park. I front loaded my whole day into the morning, powered through it, took the afternoon off work. We're going exploring to the square. We're on a quest for the world's most hidden boutique yarn store. Paige is in her third yarn store in Santa Fe. We're sitting this one out, waiting outside. What do you think? We might check Google to see if there's any snacks nearby. You want to go find some snacks? Yeah. Don't worry about other people's RV setup. It's a travel day. I'm going to stop shaking my camera, okay? Just let me finish my shot. It'll be so quick, and then you can do whatever you want. It's a travel day tomorrow. No, let me get the...
I try to track down the sun.
Why don't you go inside? Mom said the heater on. You didn't track down the sun. Tomorrow's a travel day. For f***'s sake, people. Just let me say my shit. Tomorrow's a travel day, so we've got some camp maintenance to do and get things packed up tonight.
Okay, 12 minutes and counting.
What's it like driving this big old diesel pusher?
You know what? Actually, it's nice.
While we have the oven on to make fries, I thought I would leave it on and make some cookies. We got these recently.
It's not too bad once you like figure out the trick to it, you know.
Wonder why all the doggies are going by the playground.
It's feeling very final,
The
isn't it?
playground.
Our next
like
dinner
the
is
end.
going to be like in a field somewhere in Texas.
That's true. The dog run is down there, Henry.
I can count to 7 even faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I can count to 1,000,000 faster than all of that. Million! See how fast that was?
A million!
No. You just said 1,000,000.
Time for Casey to go on an important
What?
family mission.
I have to go get milk, and I already put the bikes away, so it's on foot.
Hopefully the gas station has milk.
If not, I'm walking all the way to Sprouts.
If you go to Sprouts, text me and I'll give you a
this with
whole
me.
list.
I'm gonna work on it really slow, and maybe I'll have milk by the time I get there.
No.
It's only a mile.
You want me to pack you stuff in your backpack?
Pack me a little lunch, Mom.
That's all you do.
Okay, dude.
I stand all the way up.
See my way back there? Well, I'm gonna pull this shower head down, okay? Let's get the water temperature right. Well, that's too cold. What's up with that?
That's how it is every time. Put it one way.
It's just the right height to hold it up.
Dad, just be careful, hookup.
Yep.
Will you let me hold the shower head when you're putting soap on me?
Yeah, you can use the shower head.
Yeah,
It's
you
bath
have to
time.
leave it on.
Bath time, everybody. Let's do it. Yes. Yes.
I'm gonna read this one. It's called Before We Eat. As we sit around this table, let's give thanks as we are able to all the folks we'll never meet who help provide this food.
And you avoid criticism too.
I'm
You
feeling
think
a
you're
little
going to
bit
be
criticized. No, but seriously, I was telling you that so you would be nice to me.
That'd be nice. It's normal for you to feel that way.
Are you lying right now?
It just feels less sincere because I'm playing Castlevania. You know, I don't
Said
know.
I brought
Maybe it
an
might have been. It might have
ongoing-
been the chunky one.
hat
That she
project
showed the
with
picture
me.
I don't remember which it was. This is the same level.
I'm gonna have to go back and watch that.
I'm going back and playing the same level twice. Well, yeah. You're in shape. Oh, that was a waste.
Look, Dad.
His foot.
It's going along and it fits.
It's like the sock equivalent to fingerless gloves right now.
Yeah, I can just finish it.
You just wear that and be in a gang.
Looks really funny.
Make another one. That was a pretty normal day, wasn't it?
Yeah,
For a hookups day, you know, going to town and exploring. If we're in hookups, we're probably in a city or somewhere we want to hang out for a little while.
Well, no, that's not true. A lot of times we're at full hookups just because like we need to refill water and like do stuff.
Okay, when we are in a city that we want to explore, we probably have hookups. Because where are you going to boondock? There's no BLM in the middle of town. The point is, that was, yeah, a pretty normal hookup day.
Yeah.
We didn't dump the tanks today. We'll do that tomorrow. Tomorrow's a travel day. And we're going to do another day in the life.
A day in the life travel.
Travel day is a little bit different than full hookups day.
You'll see.
You'll see. There's only one thing left to do today, and that's to turn this dinette into Henry's bed, move him from our bed to this one, and then we can go to bed.
Yep.
That's it. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye, subscribers and people who forgot to click subscribe. You can do that now. There's a button.